Alright, guys, here we go again. Subterfuge box break number 533. Little box of artifacts for you guys. Here's the players: Chris and Aaron, and Zach, and Warren, and Crow. Crow, you've been downgraded to me just typing Crow because it's easier. Urban Troll, welcome back. We got Gerb, even though there's no G-E-R-B, I call you Gerb because I can't read. Chris, Warren, and Aaron have 5+ free darts. Dwayne and Zach and RJ806, welcome. First time in my breaks, I think. And Donald, Brian in there. Donald cleaning up the last teams again. And Crow got both darts, so here we go, guys. You don't like Series 1? Oh. Just put the bag right on the camera. So, free dart going to Chris. Triple 15 for Chris. Free dart going to Warren. Double 18 for Warren. And free dart going to Aaron. Single 9. And Crow gets 6 darts. Starting off with a nice triple 20. And a triple 6. Wow. Double 7. Single 20. Triple 1. Yeah, I would save Series 1 just for... oh, wow, and a triple 13. That's a good score there, bro. I save Series 1 basically for my Tuesday night auctions now, because I can sell any box on that thing. So, shenanigans out of the way, no gem and stinker yet. Haven't got the box reloaded. Here's our box. 807. I might actually switch my Tuesday breaks up to Team Canada. Kind of like Team Canada. It's kind of fun. So 807 artifacts box. Just watching hockey while I open the box. Alright, guys. Let's pull something awesome. Lidstrom. Marlowe. We got a Ruby Team Canada. Bowmeister. Spacer. And for the Columbus Blue Jackets and Chris, Ryan Johansson out of 299. The Johan. This kid is awesome, by the way. If you haven't seen him. Hey, RJ, you just made it. Horton, Justin Williams, Sundin, Spacer, and we have a redemption for the Anaheim Ducks, and Chris is 2 for 2 on hits. And RJ, you just came in. The first hit was a Ryan Johansson Team Canada Ruby, just so you're up to speed now. There's a rookie redemption for Anaheim. Murphy. Frolik. Cool. Spacer. Game Center Live. And we got a mem card. Wow, another one. From Nashville. My last box had a Nashville dual mem. This one is Pecorine. It's actually not bad. There's a gray swatch with some wear on it and a black swatch. Cool. And that'll earn you a single 14, because I forgot to mention we are on 14s for this break. So you get a single 14 added to your pile. Nope, you got nothing yet so far. Ryan Johansson, Team Canada, Pekka Rinne mem card, and a redemption for Anaheim. PK Subban, Gartner, Larson, Spacer. Got an Emerald rookie card going to my buddy Gerb. Nathan Beaulieu. So here we go. That's out of 99. So you got yourself a free single 14 there, Gerb. Nice rookie Emerald. Can't go wrong with the rookie Emerald. That's for sure. Stastny. Oh, we got a patch in this one. I kind of ruined it, but I guess we'll open it now. Stastny, Wheeler, Hayduk, Voynov, and we got a rookie patch for Aaron and the Buffalo Sabres. Mark Pysyk. Oh, and it's a single color patch. Boo. Number 71 of 75, jersey and patch. Not bad though. Rookie patch. Can't cry too much. Yeah, 3 left in Dominion. I hope that sells out too. I love watching that stuff. So Camilleri, Duncan Keith, Kovalchuk, Spacer, and for the Minnesota Wild, rookie card on $9.99 of Michael Granlund. I like this kid too. He's pretty good. Spectrum patches are numbered out of 15. But I believe Spectrum base parallels are out of 25. There are autofacts in this one. Look at them. Oh, and that patch card is worth triple, because it's a patch. You get a triple 14. Couple base, another Spacer, and nice. For the Winnipeg Jets, earning 2, a double 14 for Eric Tangrady autograph. One of Winnipeg. In downtown, it's on a roll in little artifacts here. A mem card in this one. We got Jacques Lemaire, Zach Parise, Spacer. Oh, nice. Trios going to Crow and the Colorado Avalanche. Speaking... Oh, never mind. I was going to say speaking of Varlamov, but no. It's Duchesne, Jaguar, and Paul Stastny. All white swatches. Briere, Ovechkin, Luke Shen, Spacer, Game Center Live, and we got a rookie Ruby for the Nashville Predators out of $2.99 of Austin Watson. I kind of like that they added rubies and stuff. A little more variety. I like that they added rookie jerseys and patches for sure. A little more variety this year. And we got a blue Team Canada. This one could be good. Plekanec. Base card in the back. Yager. Spacer. And nice. For the New York Islanders, an RJ806. Brian Trottier out of 85. There you go, bud. There we have it. What's the other team that's left in Dominion? So, thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you all on my